You've heard of cashew vegan cheese, but have you ever tried pistachio vegan cheese? Wait till you see this recipe. All you need is 1 cup of pistachios and 1 cup of water. Now, pistachios take twice as long to soak than cashews. That's because they're less porous. So they're going to need about 8 hours to soak. I just left mine overnight in the fridge. Drain the water the next day and add them into your food processor. What I use for seasoning is 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of black garlic. That's my favorite. Now, since my pistachios were already salted, I didn't add salt, but if you use unsalted, definitely add some salt. I also added, what is that there? I forgot what that was. And then I added about 3 tablespoons of nutritional yeast. What was that other seasoning? I totally forgot the other seasoning I added. Oh, it was vegetable bouillon. Okay, then you're going to blend it. It's not going to become smooth right away. So just blend it as best you can, and then you're going to need to scrape the sides multiple times. I added about 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil in between scrapings. And that's just to help it stick together, help it have a smoother consistency, yada, yada. I scraped the sides probably 3 separate times and blended before I went ahead and scooped it out. Another great thing about this recipe, it's raw vegan. It's a raw vegan food, which is really helpful because it's hard to think of raw vegan foods a lot of the time. There's only so many things you can make, but this is one of them. And I just love the pistachio flavor mixed with the spices. So then I scooped it into a bowl. You just got to get it out of your food processor and into a contained bowl. Then get your saran wrap. Dump the pistachio cheese into the saran wrap. Mold it into a ball. And this is when I added some red chili flakes for the outside of the ball. I just put it on half of it because I haven't been craving too many spicy foods lately because I'm about 7 weeks pregnant, and this last 2 weeks I have not been wanting anything spicy because I've been getting heartburn and it's just too much. So anyways, wrap it really tight in that saran wrap and then put it back in the fridge for about 3 or 4 hours, and then bam, unwrap it. And you can slice right into that pistachio vegan cheese. You can spread it on a bagel, on crackers, sandwiches. You could crumble it into salads. It makes a great vegan bagel spread. It really does. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Any Reason Vegans, vegan recipes.